Morning guys! When I'm editing my video recently, I love to have this Korean whipped coffee. Guess what coffee it is? That's right, this is the famous Dalgona coffee. The Dalgona coffee has gone really viral on social networks recently, and many people have taken the challenge to make this coffee at home. If you haven't tried this fluffy coffee recipe, I will show you how to make it in this video. Let's do it together! The ingredients of making a cup of Dalgona coffee are simple. We need 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. Then, we need to whisk the coffee until it turns to lightly golden and becomes a foamy state. We will need a little bit of patience and a powerful arm to get this creamy whipped coffee done. If you have an electric hand mixer, it can be done faster. But I like to enjoy a short moment of training while listening to some morning jazz. Here are some tips for making Dalgona coffee. We must use instant coffee. Do not use 3-in-1 coffee mix as it cannot turn to coffee foam no matter how hard you whisk it. The ratio of making coffee foam is 1:1:1. You can adjust the recipe following this ratio, but it will take a longer time to whisk it into a foamy state. Now, we are almost done whisking. The texture of the coffee foam is very thick and smooth. Let's prepare a cup of iced fresh milk now. You can also use almond milk, soy milk, oat milk if you want. Top the coffee with a few dollops of the whipped coffee. Lastly, let's decorate the coffee with some cocoa powder or coffee powder, and it will increase the aroma of coffee. Our Dalgona coffee is done. I'm going to have it with my breakfast now. Remember, give it a good stir before you have the coffee. That's all for today. Try to make the Dalgona coffee yourself and share your video or photo in the comments below. Remember to subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!